I want to show you something. When did you take these pictures? And what does it mean, KG?
You know, it's very interesting, but it's not me. And I don't even know what KG is stand for.
It's not a joke, really. Tell me, when did you take these pictures? I think they're really cool, and I also found this video with you and these kids. I saw this video before several times, but like if you even Google KG, there will be a lot of pictures and videos of you.
That's what everybody say to me. But whatever you guys say, it's not me, and I am who I am. I am not KG.
You know what? I never thought I would be working with such a famous